Hey everybody, I am at Riverbend Campground in Hiawassee, Georgia, and I'm at a vintage camper rally. So I'm going to walk around and show you a little bit. Can we peek at your camper? Can we peek at your camper? So we're going to show you a little bit of these campers here. And it's a long walk down the full campground, but I'm going to try to do it.
I just took the dinette table back down to turn it into a bed.
Okay, what year is this?
This is 68.
And you got those speckled walls. Look at that upholstery. Very cool. There we go.
Bathroom in.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
So he says he's got a bathroom in here. Some microwave. Look at that. So cute. So just a toilet. And you got your shelving there. Very nice.
Yeah, that all that turns into a sofa back there.
That turns into a gaucho. That's the gaucho couch, right? Yeah.
Gaucho couch. And that's the top cushion for the back of the couch.
Very nice.
It turned out pretty good.
Yeah.
We duplicated this cabinet in the rear.
Okay. So you'd have more storage. There you go. Thank you.
The gaucho, the Scotty Gaucho emblem, it was above the door and put it back there so it would look like it was original.
That one right there. Okay. Very nice. Thank you for showing me.
Thank you.
All right, so we are going to keep walking.
Thank you.
There's the front. So you can see a lot of modern campers here, but further down, there's some vintage one. I like that little Winnie drop, Winnebago. This one here is already on my channel. Oh, I feel raindrops. Let me see if anybody's home. I'm just gonna do a quick peek for a walkthrough video.
Oh yeah, I've got to just pop it.
Okay, so she's making dinner. We're having potluck.
We're having jalapeno poppers
Okay,
as an appetizer.
and this is her camper real quick. What year is your Scotty?
This is a 67 Scotch.
Okay, there we go. Thank you.
Thank you.
So that again will be on a separate video. But this one, pretty sure I already have it. So we're going to stop in here. I was just visiting with them and they said we could peek in. So this is Bev and Roger, and Bev's going to let me just peek real quick.
Absolutely. I put all the staging stuff up, but step in and...
Yeah, we had an open house earlier and everybody had all the decorations out, but now they're ready to travel again. Actually back in camping mode. This one is on my channel. It has a separate video, so you can see that. And this is what year? It's a Shasta?
Shasta is the 1970 low flight.
And that is the star of the show right there, that table.
That, yes, everybody that came in has just loved that table.
All right, thank you guys.
Thank you, Doreen.
This is their truck. Do you tow it with this truck?
We can, but we didn't this time.
Okay. I will show you mine. I've got the awning down because it was raining. This is the bike I just bought. Isn't that cool? It is a vintage bike from Italy. And it needs a little TLC, so we got to work on that this coming week. This is a 1987 Cadet. And here is the camper. And up here the top pops up. That was originally a 4-person dinette, and I made it into a 30-inch mattress. So there's the kitchen area. I took the stove burners out and I just use a hot plate or a electric frying pan. And these were gifted to me. This one my friend gave me, and this one another friend gave me. So I'm gonna try to start collecting those in my colors. Over here is an air conditioner built in. and the mini fridge. And then when I'm not using the air conditioner, I can put that down and cover it. That is my camper.
It's a Sunday morning rain, another sunrise by the roadside. Oh, it's an old and worn and stain, won't come out no matter how hard I try. And as the sun is coming up, I hear the sound of the waking city. I'll hitch a ride at the next truck stop if someone will show a stray dog some pity. I pray, be still, my vagabond heart. Don't listen to the calling road. Be still, my vagabond heart. You don't have to go. The end was there right from the start, and that ain't no way to live. It was always more than just playing a part. So baby, please forgive my vagabond heart. Again, the open road lies before me. That old itch was starting to burn. It's the simple things that always draw me to see what lies behind the next turn. It won't be still, my vagabond heart. It's here in the calling road. So be still, my vagabond heart. You don't have to go. The end was there right from the start.
We are doing a rubber ducky race to win the registration fee for next year. First one through and last one through win. And these guys are here to catch them. And I think I might be a winner. Is that me? I'm a winner. That's me. Woohoo! That's me.
I pray, be still, my vagabond heart. Don't listen to the calling road. Be still, my vagabond heart. You don't have to go. The end was there right from the start, and that ain't no way to live. It was always more than just playing a part. So baby, please forgive my vagabond heart. My vagabond heart. My vagabond